He's gonna light it! No way! He lit it in the room! How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Hansi Reacts. Today we're reacting to Ishowspeed sets off fireworks in his house. It sounds a bit mad. Let's get into it. Let's go.
Fireworks.
What am I looking at? What is this angle that I'm looking at right now?
Now I ain't gonna lie, KSI seem cool. Doesn't he, chat? Doesn't KSI seem cool?
Bro, what is this angle, man?
But he still doesn't get hoes though. That's crazy.
This guy is mental. The new generation of talent is absolutely
He doesn't get
lost.
no type of hoes, bro. That's actually crazy. Alright, let's go. I got a lot of fireworks right now.
Oh my god. This can only go one way and it's not a good way.
Oh.
It's not a positive way.
That's like the Pikachu one, y'all.
In his room. Has he lost his damn mind? This guy's crazy.
That's like the Pikachu one, y'all.
This is no way. This is the only.
It's gonna be that loud, personally. Oh shit.
Oh my god. It's not going to be that loud. It's a firework.
Damn, where the hell my lighter go?
This guy needs to pull himself together. He's a hilarious, but get a grip, lad. Get a grip.
No. Where did I put it? Oh, here we go, right here. Alright.
He's gonna light it! No way! He lit it in the room! Oh my god! Oh my god! Genuine fear! He starts calling for his mum! He's lost it! No way! Oh my god! Oh my god! What is he doing? Oh my god! He's fucked. He is fucked. No way. That is fucked.
Mom! Oh my goodness!
Oh my god. Imagine that lit off the rest of the fireworks. He would have been DUN done.
No, it's not. It's not. What the fuck is you doing? I didn't know. I thought. Oh my god! Stop. Turn that stream on. I didn't know. I thought it was the popping ones, Mom.
I thought it was the popping ones. I thought it was the popping ones. No. Oh my god. He's left the stream on. That's the worst part. He's left the stream on. This is outrageous. This is absolutely outrageous. I cannot believe what I've just witnessed here. The fire alarm's going off and everything. If that firework hit the rest of the fireworks, he would have been done out. That house would have been finished. The whole room would have gone up in flames. DUN done. Finito. Yo, you better call 911, brother. You better get 911 on the ringer and let them know. There's been a fire down here. This guy, man. This guy is crazy, bro. Absolutely mental. One card short of a whole deck. Why is he screaming? Why is he screaming at his own mum when he was the one who let the firework off, man? Come on. Guy. Have some respect, bro. Fucking hell, there's smoke everywhere. Jesus Christ. He's not going to be able to sleep in that room tonight, I tell you what.
Huh?
His chat is just going off. His chat is just going off. That's outrageous. His chat, he's left it on though. That's the best part about it. Don't worry, the firefighter's here. Here he is. Here he is. He's come to inspect. Look at him. What's he checking?
Like it just started going. Look, it's like black stuff in the air right now. Yeah. No, I ain't either. That's it. It just went out.
Oh my god, they got a firefight around and everything. Holy moly.
You can go ahead and make this for engine 51 in the first car.
My god. What a disaster, eh? What a disaster. Thanks for watching, guys. That was Ishowspeed sets off fireworks in his own room. He's even put "gone wrong" in the title. I mean, was it ever going to go right? Let's be real. What an absolute shambles. What kind of skullduggery has happened there? Anywho, entertaining video. Hope his mum and Ishowspeed are obviously okay, which hopefully they are. Because, I mean, there wasn't really a fire, so they should be alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.